So, very good afternoon to all present here. So, myself, Dr. Yuvaraj, Assistant Professor Mechanical in SMSCT, and these are my project students. So, today they are going to present about their project. This project is based on design and implementation of a sensor for the material detection system. So, they are going to explain how this project can be useful for detecting the type of materials which has been present in the plants and as well as in natural based composites. So for those things, they will going to give a detailed explanation regarding this project, and each and every student will contribute their thoughts in this project around. So before we going to initiate this topic, so let me ask them to introduce themselves, starting with from this place.
These are the main things referred to this project. Circuit diagram of the main material detection programs. This is a node MCU sensor. This is display. These are the wires positive and negative connected to the sensor. The main sensor is a node MCU sensor ESP8269. The main sensor is presented here. This is the sub sensor which detects the sensor used to be presented as the moisturizers or natural vapors. The battery is IM-RA8605, which is 2200 mAh power. These are the signals which presented using sensor. These are 4 lights which detects the types of materials: red, blue, yellow, green. Next, this is the detection sensor, which is useful to modify or check the soil moisture. Thank you.
I will explain the block diagram of material detection system. The working of the material detection system follows the structure sequence of the operation that begins the installation and communications in loop for real-time detection. System is designed to automatically read sensor values, this data, and display the without requiring manual intervention. These follows ensures efficient, accurate classification material. Once installation is complete, the system continuously reads data from well sensor, soil monitor sensor, provide using values corresponding to the TCS 34725 color sensor provides digital RP values. And the last one, this decision making the process carried out of the quickly on the material detection system. Thank you.
I am Bharat. I am doing my engineering assessment for the technology of technology department. I am here to explain about our project. Our project is design and implementation of sensor-based material detection system using node CPU and embedded technology. In this project, major thing is testing process. We are going to test the material soil or leaf or some of the moisture content. Here is the signal which we have received for the result, and this is the display where the material's name were recorded in this display. So we should insert the testing at the material, maybe soil, maybe leaf or some other stuff. We will receive a signal red, green, blue and yellow. The signals may be reflect our result. I will change the result. Thank you.
Good afternoon. Myself, Vikas. I have this is my project. Like this designing implementation of sensor based on material system. This used to working materials design system controlled by nature fiber. According to the system is using a USB supply and not MCU due to connecting mobiles, Wi-Fi. So the system being operation by established communication between components and color sensor due to display with MSB. Once it materials placed the sensor being collecting data, and this soil matching uses the control color sensor and RGB values to make the sensors. Thank you.